Everyone says make passive income online, but no one tells you how to actually do it step by step with zero experience. Now, imagine this. What if you could use free AI tools to create content that keeps earning you money even when you're sleeping, on vacation, or just chilling? Not a dream. It's 100% possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how. This video is your complete roadmap. No fluff, no hype, just real strategies that are working in 2025. If you're between 16 to 30, a student, side hustler, or someone who just wants more freedom, this is for you. Let's get started. Section 1. What is passive income in 2025? Passive income means making money on autopilot. You do the work once, and it keeps paying you again and again. But here's the catch. In 2025, traditional methods are saturated. The smart ones, they're using AI. And no, you don't need to be a tech wizard. All you need is a strategy, a few free tools, and consistency. Section 2, the big opportunity, AI-generated content. So what is AI-generated content? Simple. It's any content created with the help of AI. Blog posts, YouTube videos, ebooks, carousels, templates, emails. Here's the cool part. You can now write a blog post in 10 minutes using ChatGPT. Create a faceless YouTube video with tools like Pictory or InVideo. Design a digital product with Canva and sell it forever. One of my friends, a 21-year-old student, used ChatGPT to write an ebook about productivity hacks for students. She uploaded it on Gumroad. In 3 months, $800 plus in passive income. She didn't even spend a single dollar on ads. This is the power of AI in 2025. Section 3. 5 powerful models you can start today. Let's break it down into 5 practical models you can actually start. Model number 1. AI-powered blog business. Niche. Pick something you enjoy. Fitness, tech, self-growth. Use AI, ChatGPT plus Surfer SEO to write content. Publish 2 to 3 articles per week. Monetize through ads, affiliate products, and email list. Model number 2, faceless YouTube automation. Pick a niche. AI tools, trending news, money hacks. Use ChatGPT to write the script. Add voiceover using 11 Labs or any TTS tool. Use Pictory to create visuals. Earn via YouTube AdSense plus affiliate links. Model number 3, digital products with AI. Create templates, guides, planners, or toolkits using AI plus Canva. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. Promote via Pinterest or Instagram. Model number 4, newsletter business using AI. Build a micro newsletter around a niche. Example, AI tools for students. Use ChatGPT to write daily, weekly emails. Grow audience on Twitter or LinkedIn. Monetize through affiliate products or sponsored slots. Model number 5, AI content agency for creators. Offer AI-generated carousels, scripts, emails to creators' businesses. Use ChatGPT plus Canva to deliver content. Find clients on LinkedIn or via cold DMs. Turn it into recurring income with monthly retainers. Section 4, real talk, the hard truths most ignore. Here's what no one tells you. AI makes things easier, not effortless. You will still need consistency, smart execution, and patience. Most people quit in 2 weeks. The winners? They stay in the game for 90 days, and that's when things shift. Remember, results don't come from what you think. They come from what you do consistently. If you're waiting for the perfect time, you'll miss the wave. The time is now. Section 5, common problems and solutions. Problem number 1, I don't have any skills. Learn one tool like ChatGPT. Practice 20 minutes daily. You'll be ahead of 90% of people in a week. Problem number 2, I don't know where to start. Pick one model, just one. Go all in for 30 days. Problem number 3, I don't have an audience. Start documenting your journey. Share what you're learning. People love progress. Problem number 4, I keep losing motivation. Create a habit system. Set 3 small daily goals. Celebrate progress. not perfection. Section 6. Long-term game plan to grow. Once your system is live, here's how to scale it. Build an email list from day one. Repurpose your content across platforms. Use AI to test and tweak what works. Study analytics weekly and improve. Collaborate with other creators to grow faster. Think of it like this. You're building a mini online business that runs on autopilot, powered by AI. If you're still watching, ask yourself, what if 6 months from now, you had an income stream that pays you even when you're offline? What would that mean for your lifestyle, for your freedom? This is your moment, not tomorrow, not next year. Today. And if you want to go even deeper, check out my video, 7 Ways to Build Passive Income in 2025. It has strategies that perfectly pair with what you learned today. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share this with someone who's ready to change their life. See you in the next video.